To get started with the US Bank app, first download and install it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and select the option to log in or enroll. If you are an existing US Bank customer, you can log in with your online banking credentials. If not, you can enroll by providing your account information and creating a username and password. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards. You can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. To view more details, select the specific account you are interested in. The US Bank app allows you to transfer funds between your accounts, pay bills, and send money to others. To transfer funds, select the transfer option and choose the accounts you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. To pay bills, select the Pay Bills option and choose the biller you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. You can also use the app to deposit checks remotely. Select the deposit check option and take a picture of the front and back of the check. Enter the check amount and confirm the deposit. The app will then process the deposit and make the funds available in your account. The US Bank app also provides security features to protect your accounts, including two-factor authentication and account alerts. You can set up alerts to notify you of low account balances, large transactions, and other activity. To set up alerts, select the Alerts option and choose the types of alerts you want to receive. To manage your accounts and services, select the Menu option and choose the service you want to manage. You can view and manage your account settings, order checks, and apply for new accounts. The US Bank app also provides customer support, including a help center and contact information for customer service. Overall, the US Bank app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts and access banking services on the go. By following these steps, you can take advantage of the app's features and benefits and make the most of your US Bank accounts.